Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I am going to demonstrate you how to create your web application or web project for deploying in Azure. So we use this project in more examples. So I'm creating a separate video for deploying or for in deploying in Azure. So create a new project. Then we can use the ASP.NET Core Web API. Click on the next button. Give the name. So I'll give the name my web app. Click on the next button. Then because it's only for using the deployment purpose, not development, so I'm not using the HTTPS and neither I'm using the controller. But if you want, you can use it. So create, just click on the create. Remain all those. I'm using, make sure target framework 9.0. So same version you have to choose in your Azure. So let's say just try to run the application. Maybe the application is running. Let's copy this URL and just paste. So as you can see, the local space cannot be found. That's because in the go to running file, if you see this, that's mean your application is running successfully. Whether we can give the path, so we cannot always copy paste this map get hello world. Now just remove this and enter. So as you can see, we show the hello world. That's mean your application is successfully running. Now I am trying to deploy this application into the Azure